At the first month, I make like 10x more than which I invested there. So thanks to your that was like a game changer for me.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another case study video where we break down success stories from VP Plus, my private members community. Suleman is 17 years old. He joined us about 60 days ago, something like that, about 2 or 3 months ago, right? Maybe less, or it's about 2 or 3 months.
Yeah, it's literally third month for me.
Third month, boom, exactly. So he joined us 3 months ago. He was making $0. Suleman lives in Pakistan. Over the past 90 days, he's built an income of $4,000 a month. That's essentially a yearly salary in Pakistan. He's now making that on a monthly basis. He sends a bunch of his cash to his mom, to his dad. He basically is the breadwinner of his entire family at 17 years old. His boys, a couple of his friends from school, they couldn't afford to continue their education. Suleman is sponsoring them to now continue their education as well, and he's absolutely crushing it. He, has come into VP Plus, crushed. He's been sending a lot of memes, but by the way Suleman communicates, you wouldn't even know he's an absolute killer, but this guy's an absolute star. Firstly, Suleman, how long have you been in VP Plus? We just talked about that a bit. What revenue did you come in at? And then talk about where you are now. I've given a preview, but let's hear it from you.
I'm Suleman. So I just joined VP Plus like, I would say like exactly 70 days ago. So I was, you're not gonna believe this. I borrowed money for someone to join VP Plus. At the first month, I make like 10x more than which I invested there. So that was so freaking cool. But consider right now where I am, to be honest, there is no rocket science. I literally joined VP Plus and got advice from Jack from his one-on-one call. So I literally just implemented those strategies and I got the results. That's all I did.
Beast, bro. Beast. What type of videos do you offer now, and how much do you sell them for?
I always was doing finance videos, and I'm currently doing like my highest paying client is like $30 per minute. I'm doing like a 20-minute video for him, and he needs like 4 to 5 videos per month.
Per month. So you're making $600 a video for one of your clients. $600 a video. If it's $30 a minute, you're doing 20 minutes long. You're making $600 per video for a 20-minute video for a finance channel.
Yeah, that's what I'm exactly doing, and I will not be switching niches. As you suggested, I'm so grateful that you advised me not to go to gaming. Thanks to your one-on-one call. That was like a game changer for me. But after that call, I implemented the strategies, the review you gave me, and I crushed it.
Beast. Absolute beast. So this is a commonality. A lot of younger kids, they want to go into gaming content, but gaming content doesn't necessarily have like an intrinsic business behind it. If you're targeting finance creators or business creators, they're usually using content as an investment to make more sales or to make more money, so they can justify paying more for the actual video because it's an investment rather than an expense. But that's beautiful, Suleman. So did you already know how to get clients before VP Plus? You didn't have any, right? But did you kind of know anything about getting clients before joining VP Plus?
I was working on Fiverr, Upwork. I was just generating like a small amount of dollars just to survive. I would say that, but my Upwork account got banned, as you know. I told you in the live session. So I joined VP. I didn't know anything about it. I was just spamming the emails and on Upwork. That's all I was doing. I'm 100% sure if I join Upwork again, I will crush there too, because now I know the stuff. Thanks to you, broski.
Beast. Okay, so you're killing it. You're absolutely crushing it. I hope you guys are getting gems from this. Anybody who especially lives in Pakistan, lives in India, lives in any of these kind of like lower income areas, the opportunities are online. Suleman's absolutely crushing it. But what was the main thing that happened after joining VP Plus that took you to $4,000 a month in this short time frame?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I decided I will join VP Plus from watching your recent video where you were telling about the assets you are giving away in VP Plus, about the video editing assets. So I planned like I will join, I'll download them, and I'll only stay with me in just only 1 month. But when I joined, I saw the absolute crushing results and supportive community, and I didn't leave until then. That was so, I mean, to be honest with you guys, I've been into like many communities, but you are missing so much if you're not into VP Plus. I would say that you should join VP Plus if you are a video editor.
And now a quick word from our sponsors. VP Plus 2.0 is coming, baby. Behind me is just a absolutely short preview of all of the value to come. Oh my goodness. Dozens and dozens and dozens of students have quit school or quit their job and gone full-time as a new age video editor. 3 different mentors, myself, Cami, Garen, doing daily live sessions. The results speak for themselves.
Inbound started to invade by the end.
So yeah, I pretty much started from 0, and right now I'm 5K a month.
Crazy results. Literally, their lives are changing off the back of VP Plus. And we got so much value coming. You best believe 2.0 is going to dwarf 1.0. July 5th, the launch is happening. You join now, you lock in your current price for life. You join after July, you're paying the new price. Between you and me, it's nearly doubling. How can it get better, Jack? I heard you over there, buddy. Can't really tell you yet, but it's coming. 2.0, baby. What was the one thing, Suleman, that what was the thing in VP Plus that actually led you to $4,000 a month? Was it the Blue Path? Was it a course? Talk about what was the actual strategy that you used that led you to this cash?
All right, so on my first day, I got into Content Hub. I watched the Blue Path, and I started making I don't even have a Twitter, which is called as X now. Even it's banned here in Pakistan. I literally created a new ID, I joined via VPN, and now I have 500 followers there, and I am getting at least 2 inbound leads daily. Daily.
So that's the Blue Path right there. The Blue Path, for anybody, we teach people in VP Plus, our students, to get a Twitter account, start blowing each other up, right? Because we have so many people in VP, we can blow you up to hundreds of followers nearly right away on Twitter. Then we get everybody engaging with those posts. That boosts it to the algorithm, and clients see that, and they give inbound leads. So is this full $4,000 a month that you're making right now, which is incredible? That's incredible cash here in London, to be honest with you. A lot of people wish they were making that in London. You're making that in Pakistan, killing the game. Was all of that money through the Blue Path, through inbound leads?
Here's exactly what I was doing, and I'm gonna tell you for free, guys. Before joining VP Plus, we have lots of value there, but I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So what we were doing, I was following Blue Path. I was doing before and after, and I was tagging the creators. So at the same time, I was sending them emails with the value first outreach. So most of the time I'm getting the inbounds from Twitter, but if I'm not getting that, I'm getting responses from emails. So I was shout out to Mitch. He just helped me so much. He was one of my first clients. I saw his YouTube videos. He's the mentor here in VP Plus. So I bought Jack's outreach masterclass, which is 4 hours long. That was insane value right there. So I wrote emails, I wrote cold emails, and exactly that's all I did. I did what exactly need to be done and instructed by my mentors, and here I am. And right now, even the lowest I'm making 3.5 to 4K. But if I just rush it, I can go up to maybe 7K.
It's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
Beast. And you said you're getting at least 2 inbound leads a day off of Twitter, right? So how many inbound leads do you say you get a month?
On an average, it will be more than 40. Exactly. Every time I wake up, I check my phone. My Twitter has at least 2 messages on the request page.
So good, bro. So good. So those are clients coming to you guys, right? Because it's tough in the early days to go to clients if you don't have social proof case studies and results for clients, because they're kind of well, who are you, bro? Why should we work with you? We teach people in VP Plus, our students, Suleman is one of them, to get clients to come to them. And we have such an amazing, unique mechanism to get new age video editors like yourself, like Suleman, to crush. This is stuff I wish I had when I was your age. You're 17 years old, Suleman, correct?
I just turned 17. I was
what a beast,
16
man.
when I joined VP Plus.
What a beast, man. So how did your journey look building your personal brand? What action did you take?
I would say, I just want to let you know, guys, I'm not that good at editing. Yeah. So I was improving my editing, and Jack advised me, try and learn to sell. You need editing, but at the same time, you know how to sell.
Yeah.
So you don't need a hyper-realistic editing and those 3D stuff. You just need to act as an expert. So that's exactly what I did. In my beginning days, I was posting more personal stuff, doing some before afters, doing some the stuff which you teach on a live session. To be honest, live session was the most game changer for me. It's just literally changed my perspective to look at things, that how to write emails, how to reach clients, and how to talk with them. I mean, if you know how to deal with them, how to act as an expert, you can crush it. And that's exactly what you guys are teaching there.
I love it, bro. And you've been just following the blue path, becoming a personality, coming to the live sessions, coming on stage, and then the VP community are coming over, following you, following your personal brand, growing your numbers. And have you now started to gain followers that aren't in VP Plus as well? Are new people on Twitter seeing your stuff?
Exactly. Yes. I'm
Sick.
getting followers which aren't even from VP Plus.
So good, bro. What so good. What's been your month-on-month growth? Like, you've been in here for 70 days, so it's basically like 2 months essentially. What was month 1 growth like? Like X money to Y money? What was month 2 growth like? And then now obviously we're talking about where you are now. So talk about your month-on-month growth that you experienced.
Right after joining, within 7 days, somebody from VP Plus reach out to me and say, hey, I want to hire you. And that was my first client. I mean, I didn't even go to, inbound lead or outreach. The guys from VP Plus inside was hiring me
so
to work
cool
for them.
And how much did you make? So how much did you make like in the first couple weeks of VP Plus? Did you make your money back?
Within the first week, I make like $100, which is like 4x the money I invested there.
So good, bro.
Right? So I returned the money which I borrowed, and I keep my profit like $75 within just 7 days. Come on, bro.
Crazy.
As a new editor, it's just so cool.
Beast, bro. Bro, you're absolutely crazy. You're making me smile, man. I absolutely love it, bro. Talk about client fulfillment, right? How important has been fulfilling the videos been for you? Not just like landing the clients and bringing them in. Talk about fulfilling the service, retaining the clients, because the clients you're working with, they're repeat customers. They're not one-off project hopping gigs. You have to provide a good service, be punctual, be on time, have quality to retain them, to make them want to keep working with you. So talk a little bit about fulfillment and what you're doing to retain these clients.
Here's the thing, guys. Getting client is easier. Keeping them is most difficult part.
Yes.
And I would say, like, when I lost clients for like, I would say 10 before getting retainers, I lost multiple clients, like 7 or 10 clients, because I wasn't able to deliver on time. I wasn't able to get the things done, and I wasn't able to get the revisions. But then VP Plus new event started, like time management. Gurvan was teaching there. He all he's doing, like, he's getting people on stage. He's like reviewing everybody, telling them how to do time management and telling self-improvement stuff. I hop on a stage, I review I got so much value, and now I'm at this stage. I have full my time management. I'm doing all the things. The thing is, you gotta know how to manage your time. You can't be just spending like 12 hours a day just on a video. As an editor, I would say you also need to work on your health and your other personal stuff.
Big.
Editor doesn't need just to sit here on the computer
Huge.
and just edit videos for them. And right now, YouTube is so big opportunity. Like, everybody is creating content.
Yeah.
So I don't think you don't have like saturation in the market. There are a ton of YouTubers who doesn't even know they need editing.
So true, bro. So true, 100%. I mean, there's, I think there's like a 250 million creators in the world now, 250 million creators in the world. 90% of them all need editors. A very small percentage are actually editing their own content. They start doing that, but for the most part, they need editors. So it's a massive, massive, massive opportunity. Suleman, you're an absolute star, bro. Honestly, for anybody that, is on the fence still about joining VP Plus, I'm surprised you are, right? You probably should join. But, if you're on the fence still, we have a free training that's linked in the description of all my videos showing you how to make, on the low end, $500 a month, on the high end, up to $10,000 a month as a new age video editor. This is a completely new mechanism. We'll give away the exact strategy Suleman used to crush, the exact strategy so many other case studies on VP have used to crush. It's linked in the description. Download it, please. It's free. Why wouldn't you? Suleman, tell us where to find you. Where can people who are inspired by this come and follow you at?
Yeah, you can just follow me on Twitter. That's all I have. To be honest, I'm not that social guy. You literally pushed me to create Twitter. I don't even have a Twitter.
Beast.
So thanks to you, bro.
Bro, you're an absolute star. Suleman, 17 years old, the breadwinner of his entire family, making a yearly salary, a yearly local salary. Bro. The equivalent of you making $4,000 a month in Pakistan is basically like making $40,000 a month here in London. You're making a yearly salary local in your country, bro. You're absolutely crushing it. You're honestly a killer to be providing for your family, supporting your friends, sending them to school, sponsoring them. Dude, you're a beast, man. Absolute star. Thank you for coming on. We appreciate you, and I can't wait to see where you are in the next few months, bro. 4K ain't your ceiling. You be the goddamn president of Pakistan by the time you're done with it, motherfucker. You and Imran Khan running against each other.
Oh, bro, I would just say this: earning in dollars and spending in rupees just feels so freaking damn cool, bro.
Beast,
You
bro.
should do the same thing. If you are watching, just come and join us, and we will get you there.
Beast, bro. I love it, man. Guys, legendary. Please follow Suleman. He's an absolute star. Bro, thank you, and I can't wait to see how you progress, brother.